turn this music off. I shouldn't have had this playing in the first place. See? Very new to this. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited. I'll tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Julisa. I'm an interior designer. I do technical design and I also do fashion design. And those are my passions. I'm just a creator. I love to create. So I'm from the boogie down, and if you know the Bronx, I keep it as real as possible. So that's just how we do it. So you might see some scenes in here that you're like, oh, she's really real, because I'm really real. But what are we going to do about it? That's just who I am. What are we going to do about it? So that you guys are aware, this is my first video ever. Ever. And I'm really excited to do it, but I'm really nervous at the same time because I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to find lighting. I'm trying to, beat the clock because it's kind of late in the evening, and I just want it to be good. So today I am taking you on a run with me so that I can get some items for a client of mine. She lives in Harlem in an apartment that she loves, and she was just having a hard time trying to figure out, what things she could put into it. So here I am, providing her with a service to give her, just an easy, inexpensive way to spruce up her place to be exactly what it is that she's looking for. And if there's anybody out there who's watching this video who just wants to give their home just a little change, just a little pizzazz, so to say, you can click the link down below, or you could DM me. I will also find a way to get in contact with me, and I will reach out to you and supply you with whatever you need. Any budget is a good budget. Don't ever think that, oh, I don't have this, or any budget. You can always work within your means, and I will gladly help you with doing that. So that's not something that you should worry about. And just you give me what you need, I'll give you what you want. We help each other. So today let's just go look around. You'll get a view of some things, and later on down the line I'll be sharing some pictures with you guys of my client's home. She's excited, and some videos will come, and I look forward to hearing more from you guys and learning more about you guys, and I want you guys to learn more about me. For now, I don't know what I should say, because this is not something I ever do. I just go about my business, and I just wanted to reach out to more people, and this is the only way that I know how to do that. So here we go. Ooh la la, it is empty and I'm excited. An empty mall is amazing. So here we are, we're heading to Home Goods. It's, as you know, we're in NYC, so it snowed yesterday. Look at all that snow, it's kind of icky. Snow never stays nice in New York City. Don't let anybody tell you snow's beautiful. It's not. Doesn't last too long. But anyway, let's get on out of here. We're gonna go to a few stores. We're gonna go to Home Goods, and let me lock this door. We're gonna go to Home Goods. We're gonna see what Marshalls has. There's a Century 21, and to my surprise, they just added a Michaels, and I am totally excited about that. So I'll be showing you some things as I shop around. I'm gonna try to make this as short and sweet as possible, but look forward to hearing from what you guys have to say, or what you guys have to say. Sorry. proper English. Later. This shit is dangerous, bro. I almost poked my eye out, but I'm getting it. Danger can be pretty. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick visual of how I look at my items in a store. So Home Goods happen to have this sofa that is pretty much the same color as my client's sofa. So I picked out this pillow, this one right here, and this rug, and then this rug, and then I have this pillow that is a little bit of a different pattern. And already I'm starting to see that the pillow and the rug is pretty much clashing, and she already has a tribal pillow on her couch. So I think I'm going to go with that one tribal pillow and try to move with more solid colors for the rest of the throw pillows. Okay, so I'm done, and I'm going to show you some of the pieces that I got as I put them in a car. Unfortunately, I couldn't do too much videoing inside of the store as it was crazy hectic in there. Like, it was really, really crowded, and I shouldn't be surprised because this is Saturday, but it was really bad. So I was like fighting through the aisles to find things, stalking people who had items just to see that if they put it down, maybe I'll pick it up. But I'll show you. So here I have some more items. I have 2 rugs and 2 throw pillows. So now these will be going into the living room, and now I have 3 rugs and 3 pillows for the living room. So here's the thing about when you're decorating spaces. Not everything is going to work in a space. Sometimes you may think it'll look good in your head, but you just got to try it out. So I'm going to use all of these, place them in the room with what we already have, see how it works, if it gives a collaborative feel, and if it does, then that'll be the item staying. The other items will be returned. See, it's now nighttime. I don't know if you can see. I know the light is flashing from the building, so it might look like there's sun out, but there's not. It's dark, and it's definitely time for me to be back home because my feet are killing me. And my boyfriend says he's cooking dinner tonight, so I'm excited about that. So I'm gonna get out of here, head on home, soak my feet. People think that this is easy, but it's not. It's a lot of work, fun work. I always love seeing the outcome, but it was good spending the day with you guys, and hopefully we can do this more.